Hello. Welcome to Bullseye Education. Today we will learn about Venn diagram with 3 datasets. Let's begin with an example. In a school of 120 students, a survey revealed their participation in sports. 50 students play soccer, 40 play basketball, and 30 play tennis. Additionally, 15 students play both soccer and basketball, 10 play both soccer and tennis, and 5 play both basketball and tennis. 3 students participate in all 3 sports. Based on the survey, draw a Venn diagram with the provided information. Determine the number of students who play only soccer, only basketball, or only tennis. Calculate how many students play exactly 2 sports, how many play at least 1 sport, and how many do not play any sports. The total number of soccer players is 50, the number of basketball players is 40, and the number of tennis players is 30. This is shown in the diagram below. The total number of players is 120 and is represented by the rectangle. To solve these problems, first fill the space with maximum intersections. Here 3 students play all 3 sports. 15 students play both soccer and basketball. But 3 students play all 3 sports. So, the players who play soccer and basketball but not tennis are 12 students. The number of people who play soccer and tennis is 10. This includes 3 players who play all 3 sports. So, the number of players who play soccer and tennis will be 7, 10 less 3. 5 people play tennis and basketball, out of which 3 play all 3 sports. Thus, 2 students play tennis and basketball. The people who play only soccer is 28 players. The total number of players who play soccer is 50. Out of 50 players, 7 play both soccer and tennis and 12 play soccer and basketball. 3 people play all 3 sports. Out of the 50 soccer players, those who play another sport is 22. So, the players who play soccer only will be 28. The total number of players who play tennis is 30. Out of 30 players, 7 play soccer as well, and 2 play basketball as well. 3 play all 3 sports. Out of the 30 tennis players, those who play another sport are 12. So the players who play tennis only will be 18. Similarly, the players who play basketball only will be 23. The following results can be read from the Venn diagram above. The survey results show that 28 students play only soccer, 23 play only basketball, and 18 play only tennis. Additionally, 21 students play exactly 2 sports, while 93 play at least 1 sport. Finally, 27 students do not participate in any sport.